Hey, it's Tommy the Butcher for Wise Guys BBQ, back with another video for you today. You know, if you're ever out looking for skin-on boneless chicken breast and skin-on boneless thighs, you're not gonna find it anywhere. I've never seen it in all my years till this day. If you've seen them at home, leave a comment because I wanna know where you found them. So if you want these, you're gonna have to do it yourself. I'm gonna show you how you can do this at home, but before we get started, please like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you will not miss an episode. Stick around, we're butchering together. So we'll start right here at the tip and basically very slowly just follow the tip of your knife right along that breastbone. And at the same time, you're gonna kind of pull a little bit. You can almost reach a point where you can pull it away with your hand. You won't have to make cuts and incisions. You can start to separate the breast meat from the bone itself. So we're just gonna follow along like so. Once we get down to this leg part, we can free the breast up, turn it around, and we'll start to work towards the front of the bird, right where that wing joint is. I'm just gonna ride right over that and continue to cut and pull until we get this whole breast freed. That's it. If you can roll it over, you can see we have a boneless breast with the skin still on. Now, there's a chicken tender. I'm gonna remove this as well. I'm not gonna use this for our grill. So there's one boneless breast. We'll continue to do the other side exactly the same. All right, flip this over, we'll remove that tender off. All right, so there are our two boneless skin-on breasts. Now for these legs, we're gonna remove the entire leg off first, throw it on its tummy, come around the back to where the backbone is, and there's a joint right here we're gonna separate that. We're just gonna keep pulling at the same time. That'll release the meat. So there we have one entire leg. We're gonna split the drumstick from the thigh. This is very simple. There's actually like a built-in line, some fatty tissue. Basically just want to cut across. We're gonna take the drumstick, we got a bowl here, we're gonna keep all the carcass, the legs, the drumsticks, the wings, the rest of the chicken. We're gonna use that for soup stock. We'll reserve that, freeze it, take it out at a later date, make a tremendous, delicious soup stock out of it. So back on this thigh, there's one joint that's kind of protruding a little bit. It's popping up at you. We want to go on that side first, but we're gonna scrape along the bone. Go each side of the thigh bone. Don't go too deep. You wanna just kind of use the tip of your knife to kind of begin to expose that. You're gonna reach a point where you can just pick it up with your finger like you're pinching it and kind of go around that joint a little bit till you get that joint free. And once you get back to that bone, all you gotta do is scrape down. Just scrape it, all that meat will be released. And eventually you'll expose that other joint. Just come in and cut it right off. All right, we got our two breasts, we got one thigh, we got one more thigh to go after here. And of course, we're just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna clean up some of this excess skin off to the sides. There's that joint there, you can see, it's protruding. Go down each side of that. Reach a point where you can pinch or reach under it. Bring your knife up, scrape the meat down. There you go. All right, folks, so there you have it. It didn't take a whole lot of time. It's relatively simple. If you take your time, follow what we showed you, you can do this at home as well. This is Tommy the Butcher. Please like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you will not miss an episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.